exploring the concept of tribal unity. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that's rich with cultural significance: tribal unity. This term might sound straightforward, but it's packed with history and meaning, and that's exactly what we'll uncover together. Let's start by breaking down the phrase. The word tribal refers to tribes, which are groups of people, often with a common ancestor or cultural heritage. Tribes are like extended families and can be found in many societies around the world. In a historical context, tribes were more prevalent before nations and countries were formed. Next up is unity. Unity means togetherness or oneness. When we talk about unity, we're talking about different parts coming together to form a whole, especially in a way that is harmonious and cohesive. So, when we combine these two words, tribal unity refers to the bond and solidarity among members of a tribe. It's about mutual support, shared goals, and collective identity. In many cultures, this unity is essential for survival and prosperity. It goes beyond just working together. It's about feeling connected on a deep, often spiritual level. In today's world, tribal unity can also have a broader meaning. It can be used metaphorically to describe a strong bond and sense of solidarity among any group of people who share common interests, values, or goals, not just those belonging to a traditional tribe. Understanding phrases like tribal unity is crucial in English because they carry more than just a literal meaning. They give us insight into history, culture, and human relationships. Recognizing the depth of such terms can enrich your communication and comprehension in English. And that wraps up our exploration of tribal unity. I hope this discussion has not only helped you understand the term but also appreciate the cultural and emotional layers it carries. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to our next English language adventure together. Keep learning, and stay curious.